Billy Jim Carpenter, Vicksburg, Alabama. Terry's brother put the steers together in the load. 12-1A, 12-1B. With a nice little no one muscle, medium and large frame Angus sired steers. Cattle will be sorted according to weight. Just getting the biggest calves off right now. Billy Jim Carpenter, Vicksburg, Alabama. The heavy load will be around 680. They'll weigh the calves, wean them at the end of August and deliver at the end of September. 3 steers right here will be on the load. Billy Jim Carpenter. (12-1A, 12-1B). Billy Jim Carpenter, steers, Vicksburg, Alabama. Billy Jim Carpenter, Vicksburg, Alabama. Set him with his brother, Terry. He's been that way for several years. Real good Angus sired steers. One load will be around 680. Then they'll have a small group after that. They'll have 60+ days on them. Billy Jim Carpenter, Vicksburg, Alabama. 12-1A, 12-1B.